This tutorial teaches you how to connect your PC to a TV using an HDMI cable. Connecting your PC to your TV will enable you to display your computer screen on your TV, so you can watch movies or browse the internet on the big screen. All you need to connect the two devices is an HDMI cable. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the PC. The HDMI slot is usually behind the CPU if you have a desktop computer, or on the side of a keyboard on a laptop. Some PCs may use a regular HDMI port, while others will use an HDMI mini or mini display port. For HDMI mini and mini display cables, one end of the cable should be an HDMI mini or mini display cable which you can plug into your computer, and the other end should be a regular sized HDMI cable. Not all computers have an HDMI port. Some older computer may use a VGA or DVI cable. You can connect these to the HDMI port of a TV using an adapter and a separate audio cable. If you are using a laptop that does not have an HDMI or other video out port, you can purchase a USB to HDMI adapter. You may need to install additional software on your PC. Connect the other end of the cable to the TV. Find a free HDMI port on your TV and connect the other end of the cable to it. The ports are usually numbered and labeled with HDMI. Make a note of which HDMI port you are connecting to. Make sure you purchase an HDMI cable that is the right length needed to connect from your PC to your TV. Measure the distance if needed. Use the TV remote to select the HDMI source on the TV. Look for a button on the TV or remote that says source, or input, or something similar. Use this button to select the HDMI port you connected your PC to. After connecting the PC and TV together, sometimes the TV will automatically display what's on your computer monitor. If it is blank, use Method 2 to detect your TV in Windows 10. Use the number labels on the HDMI ports to help you find which HDMI source your computer is connected to. Detecting your TV in Windows, click the Start menu on your PC. This is usually found in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. It has an icon with the Windows logo. This displays the Start menu. Click the Settings icon. It's the icon that resembles a gear. It's on the left side of the Start menu. Click System. It's the first option in the Windows Settings menu. It's next to an icon that resembles a laptop computer. Click Display. It's the first option in the sidebar menu to the left. This displays your display settings. Scroll down and click Detect. It's at the bottom of the Display Settings menu. Windows will detect any connected displays. Adjust the resolution as needed so it looks good on your TV. If you have an HD TV, select 1920 by 1080 in the resolution drop-down menu. If you have a 4K TV, select up to 3840 by 2160 or highest possible resolution in the resolution drop-down menu.